This is a quick demonstration of how to complete your weekly action plan for the week of Monday, November 16th, 2020. I want to walk you guys through some things that I saw that came in from last week that I want to make sure we have clarification on so you can see exactly what I'm looking for as you're completing your action plan for today. Let's start at the very top. Of course, very basic. You're going to type in your name. Pretty simple, self-explanatory with that box right there. Then you're going to select your tech class. So for this example, I'll use Tech 9. And the drop down, I'm just going to select my period. So we'll use period 7. I've already got the date locked in, as you can see right here. So that does not change at all. I've already got that set for you. Let's look at what I'm looking for so you can understand the objective of this action plan. So let's look at Monday. For example, on Monday, we're an online day, so I'm just going to click online. Our task is going to be, what are we going to get done today? One thing I saw as I was looking over these this weekend is many of you are using very vague statements. I really want specific, exactly what you're going to get done today. So my example says, complete my weekly action plan for the rest of the week. And then I will be online this week because I'm quarantining due to COVID-19. I will actually be in class, but I know some of you are actually quarantining due to COVID-19. So please identify if you're actually going to be online or in class this week. So for my example, you can see where it says I'll be online. What tools do you need to be successful? For example, in order for me to be successful today, since I'm online, I'm going to need a computer and reliable internet access to complete my tasks. Pretty simple tools that I'm going to need. I may also need a quiet space to actually complete my work, somewhere I don't have people hollering at me in the background or where I'm not having lots of distractions. And then here's one thing I want to make sure we are super clear on. At the end of each day, you need to select yes, you had your task done, or no, you didn't have your task done. And then if you do select yes, I want to know, how were you able to be so successful? What are some keys that you have that allowed you to become successful and complete your objective for the day? So you need to identify that as both yes or no. So I need some definition. Of course, what were you able to do to complete your task? So moving down to Tuesday, as you can see right here on Tuesday, it's going to be an in-person day. So what do you want to get done today? As you guys can see, it's pretty simple. I will continue to construct my balsa chassis in the shop today. I will drill the axle hole and use a bandsaw to cut relief cuts before I cut the curves out of my chassis on the scroll saw. That's the type of detail and specifics I'm looking for your task. Don't just write, I'm going to work on my CO2 dragster. I want to know the specific, exact task and step you're going to work on. That will allow me to tailor my lesson to make sure I can help you be successful. What tools do you need to be successful on Tuesday? Well, you'll need a drill press, a bandsaw, and a scroll saw to begin the construction. Now, let's say something were to happen in the shop. For my demo here, we broke a bandsaw blade. So I wrote no, I was not able to complete my task. So I will select no, and then why wasn't I? Oh, the bandsaw blade broke in class today, but I'm back in person on Wednesday, so I will cut my chassis on Wednesday. These are the specifics I am looking for. Don't be vague. If you're vague, I will send it back to you for a redo. So be as specific as you can. If you're working your mousetrap racer, what exact part are you doing? Are you mounting the axles? Are you mounting the leverage arm? If you're doing your dragster, what are you doing? Be specific. Now, I'm not going to ask you to hand this action plan in today on Monday. I want you guys to keep it until Friday. So every single day, I want you to go back into your action plan and either drop down, yes, you got your task done, or no, you didn't get your task done. And then tell me why. This will allow us to make sure you are meeting your objectives that you're setting for yourself. I will have you submit these on Friday of each week for me to look at them to make sure you got your task done. So there is no need to submit these today. I'll take them back from you on Friday. If you have questions or concerns or need clarification, feel free to chat me up in Google Meet, or you can send me a voice, or you can just phone call me direct with the classroom phone number. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'm here to help you be successful. But today I want you to complete your weekly action plan, and then you'll submit that completed plan on Friday. The key to this is stay up to date. After every day in the tech lab, select your yes or no column and tell me why you got it done or why you didn't. Great job for this week. I feel really good that we'll get this thing done, taken care of. Have a great rest of your week. We will see you guys tomorrow.